After age 60, your body changes in ways you can feel every single day. Your muscles aren't as strong as they used to be. Your balance isn't the same. Even simple tasks like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs can start to feel harder. But here's the truth no one tells you: transforming your body after 60 is absolutely possible. You just need to focus on the right exercises, the ones that give you real results without risking injury. Today, I'm going to walk you through the only 5 exercises you truly need to build strength, improve balance, protect your joints, and feel younger and more energetic than you have in years. Let's start with exercise number 1, the sit to stand. This movement is simple, but it's a powerhouse for leg strength, hip mobility, and overall independence. Imagine you're sitting in a chair. Instead of using your hands, press through your feet, stand up tall, and slowly sit back down. That's it. What looks easy is actually training some of the most important muscles for aging: your quads, glutes, and core. These are the muscles that keep you steady when you're walking, help you get up from the floor, and protect your knees from pain. Doing 10 to 15 of these each day can drastically improve your strength in just a few weeks. If standing without support's difficult, you can use your hands to assist until you build up enough strength. The goal here is control, not speed. Next is exercise number 2, the wall push up. As we age, muscle loss happens faster in the upper body than anywhere else. That leads to weakness in the shoulders, stiffness in the neck, and difficulty lifting even light objects. The wall push up is a safe way to rebuild that strength. Stand facing a wall, place your palms flat on the surface, and slowly lean in, letting your chest move toward the wall. Push back out and repeat. This targets your chest, arms, and shoulders while engaging your core. And unlike floor push-ups, this variation protects your wrists and lower back. As you get stronger, you can step your feet farther back to increase the resistance. Just 5 to 10 reps a day can make your arms and shoulders noticeably stronger. Now let's move to exercise number 3, the standing march. Balance becomes more important than ever after age 60, and falls are one of the biggest risks seniors face. But balance isn't something you lose permanently. You can train it. Standing march is a gentle but powerful way to wake up your hip flexors, strengthen your core, and challenge your stability. Simply stand tall, lift one knee toward your chest, lower it, and then lift the other. March in place for about 30 to 60 seconds. Focus on staying tall and pulling your belly button slightly in. Over time, your steps will feel lighter, your walking will feel more confident, and your risk of falling will drop dramatically. If you feel unsteady, hold onto a countertop or chair until your balance improves. Exercise number 4 is one that almost every physical therapist recommends: the hip hinge. This movement protects your lower back, strengthens your glutes, and trains your body to move safely in daily life. To do it, stand with your feet hip width apart and place your hands on your hips. Push your hips back as if you're trying to close a drawer behind you with your backside, keeping your back flat and chest lifted. Then return to standing. The key is to bend at the hips, not the lower back. This motion trains the muscles you use to lift groceries, pick up grandkids, garden, and perform nearly every bending movement without straining your spine. Start with 10 slow repetitions and focus on proper form. Once you feel confident, you can add light weights or even a water bottle for resistance. Finally, we come to exercise number 5, the step back lunge. This move is fantastic for improving stability, strengthening your legs, and enhancing joint mobility. But it's also one of the most functional exercises in everyday life. Start by standing tall and stepping one foot straight back. Lower your body slightly, not too deep, and then return to standing. Switch legs and repeat. This trains each leg independently, which is crucial for balance and coordination as you age. It also strengthens the muscles surrounding your knees and hips, helping reduce pain and stiffness. Not only does it build strength, it improves your ability to catch yourself if you ever lose your balance. If lunges feel difficult, you can hold onto a chair or wall for support. Take a smaller step back until your body adapts. The beauty of these 5 exercises is that they work together to transform your body safely and effectively. They target all the major muscle groups, improve balance, enhance mobility, and support joint health. And the best part, none of them require equipment. You can do them right at home in just 10 to 15 minutes a day. Now, you might be wondering how often you should do them. A simple routine is to perform each exercise 3 to 4 times per week. 10 to 15 reps of the sit to stand, wall push-ups, and hip hinges. Do 30 to 60 seconds of the standing march and finish with 8 to 10 step-back lunges per leg. As your body gets stronger, you can slowly increase the number of repetitions. The goal is consistency, not intensity. And here's something important. After age 60, mobility is just as important as strength. These exercises naturally improve your flexibility as you move, but you should also focus on breathing deeply throughout each motion. That helps reduce stiffness, improve circulation, and energize your muscles. Remember, your body responds to movement at any age. Strength can be rebuilt, balance can be restored, pain can be reduced. You just need the right approach believed in. When you begin doing these exercises regularly, you'll notice changes quickly. Within weeks, not months, you'll feel steadier on your feet. Your legs will feel stronger. Everyday tasks will feel easier. Even climbing stairs or standing up from the floor will become more comfortable. And the biggest change of all, you'll start feeling more confident in your body again. Age is not the problem. Inactivity is. And you don't need a gym membership, heavy equipment, or long workouts to turn your health around. These 5 exercises are simple, safe, and scientifically effective. They are the foundation of strength after 60. Commit to them, stay consistent, and your body will thank you every single day.